you're experiencing issues with Valorant multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and operating system to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers and network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your hardware to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the Riot client and use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that Valorant is allowed to access the internet. You may need to add exceptions for the game in both your firewall and antivirus software. Step 5. Restart your network. Sometimes, simply restarting your modem and router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your devices, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in to refresh your network connection. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and optimize your Valorant multiplayer experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Riot Game Support for further assistance.